To begin with, most officials will use the term historic about Prime Minister Modi's visit to Israel. This is not just about a bilateral visit or about India-Israel ties, which have been growing over the past 2.5 decades. It is a culmination of a process of normalization of ties. Remember, in 1946, India actually voted against the partition of Palestine that created Israel. India voted against Israel's induction into the United Nations until it finally recognized Israel in 1950. But it wasn't until 42 years later that the Narasimha Rao government actually established full diplomatic ties with Israel, and then it has taken 25 years after that for the first Indian Prime Minister to visit. That gives you a sense of just how far India has come. Along the way has not just come a closeness with Israel on terror issues, on defense issues, but a certain moving away from the old position where India put Palestine more prominently. Now we see what officials themselves are calling a de-hyphenation of ties, where Prime Minister Modi has not referred to the Palestinian issue overtly during the visit, although he says India stands committed to a two-state solution. Finally, Mr. Modi's visit to the grave of Theodor Herzl, one of the founders of Zionism, modern Zionism, which India at one point at the United Nations had called a form of racism, now an acceptable part of Israel's history and of India's ties with Israel. In Jerusalem at the King David Hotel, where Prime Minister Modi is staying, for The Hindu, I'm Suhasini Haidar.